were kissing.
There's a bee on me. I got him away. Look.
They don't want to leave me.
We can't hear the birds.
Oh, look, they're holding hands.
Aw.
Yeah.
Oh, is that holding hands?
Yeah, I think they're getting a little more carried away now.
I think that's not holding hands. And we're getting it on videotape. Oh my God, the things that happened at the Tyler Zoo.
Yeah.
Come on.
Things that
Oh.
almost happened at the Tyler
They
Zoo.
just went.
We just thought they were saying the nice things, and we said they were kissing a while ago. I guess that led to something else.
Mimi, you go slowly and I go smart. Come on. Come on, Mark. Let's go there.